How to sign up for Chase Bank online account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign up for Chase Bank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first things first, open up Chase Bank on your web browser, search for it, and then you will see the website. You can directly go to the website. It's chase.com, and after you're here you will see welcome here right around on the right hand side. If you already have an account, you can log in or using your username and password. You can sign in using that. If you don't have it, you will see not enrolled, sign up now option. Tap on it and head over to this website right here. It might take some time depending on your internet speed, and after you're here you will need to fill out this form. Now you will need your social security number or tax ID number, any account or application number, access to the phone or email you told us. Now, as you see right here, now you will need to create an account. So if what type of account do you want, choose any one of these. Then you will need your account card application number, your social security number, and a username. After you do that, you will need to tap on next, and after you tap on next you will go through different processes here, and after you go through few more pages you will have created a Chase Bank account, and that's basically it. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.